Hello darlings, for today's video, I'll be creating a look using the new Wet n Wild Peanuts collection. This limited edition collection features so many different products from makeup to skincare and nail care. The entire collection includes over 20 products and the gift set features 11 of those products for $74.99. First, let's swatch the Merry Christmas Charlie Brown palette. This 15 pan palette retails for $16.99. On the top row, we have shades Pantophobia, Peppermint Patty, Needs Sugar, Aluminum Tree, and First Prize. The middle row contains shades Hee Hee Hee, Blockhead, Snoopy Kisses, Christmas Queen, and Ice Skating. On the last row, we have shades Charlie Browniest, Good Grief, Paint It Pink, Twinkling Lights, and Og. Now let's create a halo eye look. I'm dipping into the matte black shade called Og and applying this to the inner and outer part of my lid using the Morphe M506 brush. This particular shadow is very pigmented, but easy to blend. Next, I'm picking up the matte red shade called First Prize and using this to blend out what I just applied by sweeping my brush back and forth across the upper edge of the black. Unlike most red shadows, this one actually didn't stain my eyelids. After that, I'm taking the shimmery green gold shade called Aluminum Tree and applying that to the center of my lid using my finger. This shadow is oh so beautiful. Next, we're testing out the Good Grief Proof Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. This is actually just a repackaged version of Wet n Wild's top-selling Breakup Proof Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. It's formulated with vitamin E and glides on seamlessly. Moving on to face makeup, let's open up the Hee 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 2-piece makeup sponge set. This sponge set is $12.99 and includes a large and small sponge. The large sponge has a cute print of Santa Snoopy on it, and the small one has Woodstock. These are made from hydrophilic technology for smooth, streak-free blending, and I did notice that they're much softer and bouncier than the sponges from the Lilo & Stitch collection. Now that we've applied our foundation and concealer, it's time to finish off the look by applying the same black shade called Og that we used earlier to my lower lash line, and then I'm dipping into the glitter shade called Twinkling Lights and applying this to my inner corner. After that, we're testing out the Gift of Giving Face Quad. This retails for $10.99 and includes 2 blushes and 2 highlighters. For highlighter, I'm applying the golden shade called It's Golden Retrievers. This one is very lovely and looks super smooth on the skin. For blush, I'm applying the warm toned shade called Christmas Cookie. It's very pigmented, but does have some kickback in the palette. Next, we have the Holiday Hugs Eyelash Curler. This is really similar to the lash curler from the Care Bears collection, but instead of having a Care Bear charm and being sold in a set with mascara, this one has a Snoopy charm and is sold as a single item. The next product we have to try is the Snoopy Claus 2-piece tweezers set. This is $8.99 and has both a slant and a pointed tip tweezer. I think this item in particular would make a great gift because it's such a useful item. Finally, let's swatch the 2 lip products from the gift set. This is the Very Merry Lip Gloss in Christmas Pageant and the Fa La La lipstick in Santa Snoopy, both of which are $5.99. To finish off the look, I'm applying the Fa La La lipstick, which is a bright red color with golden glitter. This collection came at the perfect time. It's a great way to celebrate the holidays, and everyone loves the famous Peanuts cartoon. I always love to try Wet n Wild's fun and creative collections, and can't wait to see what they have coming up next. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.